Shalom Aleichem everyone, Shavua Tov. I hope you're doing amazing. I have some important announcements, so please pay attention for the next few minutes. It is very important and you don't want to miss it. First of all, as you can see, I am here already in the United States and Bezrat Hashem ready to start our USA tour for this coming summer. And the first lecture is going to be this coming Wednesday, July 29 in Las Vegas, 6:30 p.m. Amazing lecture. The reason why I'm telling you that, because I know a lot of you can't arrive to Vegas, even though you want to, but the lecture will be broadcasted live on my YouTube, so you do not want to miss this lecture. Just visit either the YouTube channel and go under the live tab, or just follow us on any of the social media and WhatsApp. And best I would recommend for this tour is just to join all our WhatsApp groups. That way you updated with all information you need to know. So this coming Wednesday, first lecture in Las Vegas, amazing lecture. Tune in. After that, the next lecture will be this coming Thursday. Amazing lecture in Denver and another lecture on Sunday in Denver. Then I'm flying to New York and we'll have 3 lectures in New York. After that, I'm flying to Miami and I'm going to have a few lectures in Miami. The best to be updated is either to go to atzmut.org/tour and you'll find there the exact itinerary, all the information, the flyers, the locations and everything. Now I can tell you already the page is not updated right now. Bezrat Hashem, in the next 48 hours, all the page will be updated. And that's the best place to get your information. Because even like the further away lectures in Miami, which are going to be towards the beginning of September and end of August, we still don't have all the information. So if you check in on that page every couple days, you'll find out the information. But that's the route. Go to the page, get familiar. If you're in these locations, you're welcome. All the lectures are free. And we'll be more than happy to meet you. If you're not local, all the lectures will be broadcasted live on my YouTube, which can be found on under the tab, the live tab on my YouTube channel, or just follow the links on any of the social media. But get familiar, follow the schedule. We're going to have amazing lectures. Every lecture is going to be more amazing than the other. This coming Elul, we have a surprise coming up, something similar to what we had in the past, like the Tshuva Bootcamp and the Elul Bootcamp. So this Elul, we're starting something very powerful till Rosh Hashanah. So the lectures prior to that are going to be the build-up. So I highly recommend follow, get involved, watch all the videos. Trust me, you are going to be inspired. That's it. We're done with Tisha B'Av. All the darkness behind, all the negativity behind. Now we have a month and a half to Rosh Hashanah. And this time we're going to get ready amazing to Rosh Hashanah. And in this tour, all the lectures are going to be focused on everything that we're doing. So go visit atzmut.org/tour, get all the information. And I hope to see you in person. And if not in person, then on the live lectures. And please share this information. Maybe you have family in the cities where I'm going to be. But more than that, another very important announcement. This coming Wednesday, Tuesday night and Wednesday day is Tu B'Av. Tu B'Av is one of the most powerful days on the Jewish calendar. It says in the Talmud, Lo hayu yamim tovim liYisrael keyom HaKippurim v'Tu B'Av. The best days to the nation of Israel is Yom Kippur, when we get our atonement, and Tu B'Av. Tu B'Av was supposed to be originally the day of redemption, the day Mashiach was supposed to come in the desert. And I can't even stress how much this day is powerful. Therefore, I have created a page, you're all familiar, with atzmut.org/15th of Av. The link is underneath this video. On that page, you'll find all the information you need to know about Tu B'Av. You'll find videos, very educational and inspiring videos, and what you need to focus on this day. You'll find prayers, information, announcements. But this year, like every year, we have a very special campaign that we run on Tu B'Av. One of them is for singles, because Tu B'Av is I don't like saying it, the Jewish Valentine's Day, but it's the original Valentine's Day, the Chag HaAhava, very powerful day for singles. So already pay attention. And more than that, it's a powerful day for prayers for Parnasah and livelihood, Shlom Bayit, a lot of things. On the page, atzmut.org/15th of Av, I explain everything. There's a short video there where I explain everything. So what I'm suggesting to do, visit this page, Get familiar with this page. We have a very special campaign that we're running from Tu B'Av. It runs all the way till Rosh Hashanah. So check it out. See what's good for you. If you want to join, save your space. And it involves with prayers and amazing. We do it every year. And get familiar. Go to atzmut.org/15th of Av. And the links are underneath this video. Share this video. And on Wednesday, on the live lecture on Tu B'Av, that's when I'm going to explain about what we're doing and a big surprise. So you want to tune in. It's going to be very powerful. It's about your spiritual growth. It's about you growing this year. It's about you entering this Rosh Hashanah the right way so you can fix problems in the past, be blessed in the coming year with everything that you need, analyzing all the things in the year that didn't go right, how you wanted it to go, what it went wrong, all right? I'm telling you, you want to trust me, you want to follow the series of lectures, you want to join, you want to to be part of it. So go to atzmut.org/15th of Av, get familiar. There's a short video there where I explain everything and participate, join us. But just that you know that on Wednesday night, on the live lecture in Vegas, is going to be a big surprise. And that's it. I hope to see you in the real lectures in all the destinations that I mentioned. If not, on the live lectures. I wish you a safe, warm, prosperous summer. And Bezrat Hashem, let's get inspired together. Get ready to the month of Elul. Let's get ready for Rosh Hashanah together. I'm telling you, I have a very special tour prepared. I'm excited. I'm sure you see that. Amazing material. And please share this video that anybody can know. And if you want to also support this tour, the tour is very expensive, all the flights, all the arrangements. If you want to support this tour and help us spread Torah all around the world to tens of thousands of people, so on atzmut.org/tour, there's a link where you can submit your donation. Please support the tour. It's very expensive. It's a big effort to come here to the United States, but I know that I see hundreds and thousands of my followers and my students, and it's amazing, and it's affecting people and inspiring people. And every summer that I come, the after effect that I hear is that thousands and thousands and thousands are getting inspired. So please participate and join us. I'll see you on all the live sessions. Follow us, share the video, and have an amazing summer. We have an amazing things coming up. Bemet, you'll be surprised, you'll be shocked, you'll be very happy and thankful. I'll see you on all the live calls and hopefully see you in person.